Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this Debian machine from a Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using SSH. So it's going to be a secure connection. Now this is a Debian 13. You can check the version here. It's COS release. So it's Debian 13. Now there's a few things we need to do before we can try and access this machine remotely using SSH from the Windows 11 machine. The first thing is to verify that SSH is installed and it's running. So it's going to be OpenSSH. So we can check whether we have SSH here. We can say systemctl status SSH. Now if it's not installed, we'll need to install it. Now to install it, we can first update the package repositories. You can say sudo apt update, and you can do the upgrade command. There's 86 packages that can be upgraded. Now this could take a while, so I'm not going to run the upgrade command. Let's go ahead and install SSH. We'll do sudo apt install open SSH server, then we just say y for yes here. Okay, now let's rerun the command systemctl status SSH. Now we do see that it's enabled and active and running. Okay, so we verify that it's active and running. If it wasn't enabled and if it wasn't running, you can use sudo systemctl start SSH, and you can also use enable SSH. Okay, now that we've installed SSH and verified that it's running, the next thing we need is to find or to determine the IP address for this Debian machine. You can use the command IP address. Now the IP is 192.168.1.174. So we need this IP. We need this IP on the Windows 11 machine to do the connection. Now we'll go ahead and go to the Windows 11 machine to do the connection. We can use PowerShell or we can use the command prompt. They should have inbuilt OpenSSH client. So let's go ahead and go to the Windows 11 machine. Here we can go with the PowerShell or the command prompt, it doesn't matter. Now here you can start by, you can use the ping to try and see if the Debian machine is reachable. So I can ping that IP of 192.168.1.174, and I can ping it, so I've confirmed that it's reachable. Now the next thing is to do the connection using SSH. I can do SSH. So SSH client is inbuilt into Windows 10, so we don't have to do any installations. The command to do the connection is SSH, and then here you need the user that's on the Debian machine. And actually, if you're going to use the same user, you might want to log out. So I'm going to go ahead and log out of this machine. Go back to the Windows 11 machine, and then you put @ and then the IP address for the Debian machine, which was 192.168.1.174 right here. Press enter. Yes. Machine. Yes. Then put in the password for the user email, and I'm connected right here. And you can use who, you can just type W actually. That should show you who's connected, and you can also use who. It will also show you is using SSH from this IP. And that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Debian machine from a Windows 11 machine using SSH. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.